Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 5-5600. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the better choice for your needs. The Intel Core i5-12600KF boasts a hybrid architecture with 10 cores and a maximum boost clock of 4.9 GHz, making it a powerhouse for gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5600, with its 6 cores and a boost clock of 4.4 GHz, offers solid performance but may lag behind in heavily threaded tasks. Both processors are unlocked for overclocking, allowing enthusiasts to push their limits. When it comes to power efficiency, the AMD Ryzen 5600 shines with a TDP of just 65 watts, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build a cooler and more energy-efficient system. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-12600KF has a TDP of 125 watts, which means it may require more robust cooling solutions and could lead to higher electricity bills over time. Price is a crucial factor for many buyers. The Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at $311, reflecting its high performance and advanced features. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 5600 is much more budget-friendly at $199, offering excellent value for those who want solid performance without breaking the bank. This price difference can significantly impact your overall build budget. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 5600 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize top-tier performance and don't mind the higher cost, the i5-12600KF is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with great value, the Ryzen 5600 is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.